Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 7th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir still quite strong. So we closed up 38 cents. That's 3.88%, closed at 10.18. So we have a nice green candle here, a little bit of a pullback from the sellers at the top here, but still a very strong day following the big day on July 5th, where we went super strong, super high. A bit of a pullback yesterday, and now we are continuing strong. So this is really nice to see this. Let's look at the 1 hour chart to understand how this happened hour by hour. So first hour of the day, I like to see this. First hour of the day, we crossed this downward resistance, very important downward resistance. We crossed it, but we could not maintain ourselves above it. Sellers came back down. Sellers pushed us back down. So at that point, what could have happened is that things could have gone a little bit down, but no, sellers were stronger. So sellers were stronger and they pushed. They pushed through here, second hour, third hour, fourth hour, and now there's exhaustion from the buyers. So the sellers took over a little bit, but not that much. So we seem to be around our support right here at 10.13, which was pretty much the same support we had on June 24th when we crossed it, but then we only stayed above for 1 hour before coming down. Now we have been above for 4 hours. So that's really nice. Volume is a little bit lower, so that's maybe the only thing that's a little bit disappointing. Another thing here is that the RSI, if you look at RSI here, we have a divergence in the RSI. So here we are making a top here and a higher top. So we made a higher high today compared to this high. But now on the RSI, RSI is going down a little bit. So this high here is not as strong as this other high. So maybe we are going to come back down a little bit yet again because the strength of this new top on the 1 hour chart is not as strong. If we come back on the daily chart, which is a different game. So let's look at the RSI right away. So RSI is showing a little bit of the same thing. It's almost equal, but just a little bit lower. So our top here was at 62.07 RSI, and now we are below 60 RSI. Yeah, a little bit of weakening in the strength of the stock, even though we made a higher high right here. So let's see what is going to happen. This is coming very close on this downward resistance. So let's hope that we can close outside of this downward resistance a second day so that the psychology of people in the market change and people become a little bit more interested in investing into Palantir. In terms of stochastic is still super strong at 95. So this is great news. The two lines of MACD are above zero. Plus, we had the crossover of the green line over the red line. RSI at 59, that's below 50, so that's bullish. And we have also DMI that's great. And DMI, it takes something strong to convince DMI that this is a bull market. So at least on the daily chart, things are looking good. We are really close to these resistance right here. We should maybe not be expecting something to go like this, but it would be just nice if we could maintain ourselves sideways and maybe continuing hugging this resistance for a little. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I want to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.